guys, I have to go and shut my buddy Onyx's truck's windows because I forgot to shut his back window. And I gotta run through this. I'm ready. I went one time and shut the two front windows. I completely forgot about the back window that he had. Whew. Oh. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wait, before this, keep in mind this is me doing a buddy a favor. Because he has electronics and crap in here. And this would have fried his crap up. Like, I have water dripping from my freaking lip. 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all of this. I know it's crappy phone quality, but you know, like, don't worry, I have a life-proof case, so I'm good for that. Look, just on my patio. Look at that. Look at, that's coming down. Like, look at that. Kind of want to just run around for a little bit. Ready? Let's do this. Yes, we do. Went for the mail. Running away. I'm done. Okay. Jackson, come downstairs. I can't walk. I can't walk, guys. I can't walk. So cold. So cold. Hold on. Nope. So freaking cold! Look at that. Oh my god. Whew. That's me being a friend and doing that. Like, literally the shirt, it's probably like 3 pounds right now. Like, it is soaked. My hair, it's like I just got out of the shower, basically. Maybe a couple seconds later. And my legs are shivering. I need a towel. And fast.